Okay, so this is next part of continuation, no? Introductions and basics on how to about functions, about statements, about indentation. So dito tayo, Python statements. Like for example, A, so assignment, this is assignment. A, we assigned letter or number 1, so 1 like that. Like for example, multi-line, so we have first line, second line, third line. We need to put a backward slash. This one is forward slash, this one is backward slash. It means when we have this statement and then your operator, operand, and then forward slash, backward slash rather, and then next line, so continue, and then backward slash, then you continue, and then execute your friend function, so it will answer. So 1 plus until 8, the answer is 36. So that's the code, proper code in writing multi-line statement. How about if I put error, like for example, there's no plus there, control enter. So there is an error, no? Sabi dito, syntax error. So mali yung syntax. It means merong mali because I remove plus here. And then tamang-tama rin, mayroon siyang sinabi dito, somewhere here. So there is something there that is lacking. So how can you continue? Sabi niya, how can you continue if 6 niya and then you slash? So what's the next? So wala siyang ano. So there's something wrong. And it says here, syntax error. Yan. Yun yung how to use the multi-line, no, using backward slash. So if I do that minus unexpected continuation. Wait, yeah, no? Yan, kasi meron yung space dito kaya error. So that's the how you use multi-line statement using backward slash. Okay, another way is to use parentheses, yung parentheses, no? We use parentheses and like that. Again, you multi-line but there's no backward slash. Just continue. But don't forget the operand, like for example the plus, and then close with a close parenthesis. You start with open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay, so that's parenthesis. Now we're going to do multi-line statement in a single line using semicolon. Katulad yung kanina. Diba, I mentioned in my first video yung first line. Ito. Yan. So now we're going to do the semicolon. This one. So we're assigning A equals 10, B equals 20, C equals 30. Right now, print A plus B plus C. So if you are adding. And sa statement na to, it's a single line. So we need to put a semicolon. So like this arguments, A equals 10. And then next argument, B equals 20. In between, you need to put semicolon. So on so forth. And then you do your print functions. So if you are like this one, the A is equals to 10. This is your identifier, right? So you identify or you assigning number 10 to A. So kung pagkaganyan, A, like you want to print A, ano yung A? Tapos i-add mo lang yung, kasi alam mo, kasi 10, naka-assign ng 10, so A equals 10, di ba? So parang ang print A na 10, tsaka B na 20, at C na 20, yan ang answer. 10 plus 20 plus 30 equals 60. So these are basics, no? And yung merong mga complicated na mathematics, you can code it in Python and you can have a answer in just a split seconds. Maganda doon. Okay, so next we are going to have an assignment to variable. So yan. Yung kanina assignment to an integer, meron din assignment to a string. So here we're going to do float or string. So variable. Alright. Multiple assignments. So yung kanina is numbers or mga integers. Right now, we are assigning an integer and a string. And also it's ano siya, yung order, like ordered A, B, C, diba? And then some kind of assignment there. So ito yon. So nangyari, ito, A equals B equals C equals AI. So, you are assigning the same value at once. Going to enter. So, mayroong mali dito, di ba? Bakit? Kasi, dito yung word. Ito yon. So, mali siya dito portion. Why? And there is a dot. Tanggalin natin. Control enter. This is supposed to be comma. And so name AI is not defined. So not defined because it should be, let's try, no? Not defined. So ito yun. Maganda to kasi we are learning something. I'm going to remove. Try natin D. So it's not giving us an error. Okay? So regarding these multiple assignments, no, yung mayroong mga error, what do you think? So please comment on this video sa baba para we will discuss this. Alright? Next, location, storage location. Ito, maganda to. One of the features na you assign your particular arguments to in the memory sa computer in Python. So right now, try natin to. X is equals to 5. So assigning 5 to X, and then you print your ID X. So ibig sabihin yan, you are assigning a unique ID to number 5, which is this one. Yan, mahaba, di ba? 1 is a number coded in the memory. Okay, try natin number 4. Control enter. So iba na number. Right? If you go back to 5, so you have a specific number, that one. No? So 5. So hindi siya mag-change, the same. So we are assigning number 5 to this specific ID, identification. Yan ang number. Yan. Magagamit to sa pag-program natin ng Python. And another example, since we are assigning X equals to 5, halimbawa, number Y naman, like letter Y equals to 5. So, try natin balik to, no? Yan. Dali. So, X is equals to 5, Y equals to 5. So, the same. Because Y is just equals to X because we're assigning number. At like, we're going to try 4. 4. Okay. Now, we are assigning 4, but here we are ID is still X. So, we're going to change it to Y. Control enter. Yan, no? So, yan ang mangyari. Alright? So, nakaganda kasi nito yung storage. We assigning an address to a particular variable. So, like variable Y equals to 10. You assign that. You print. Right? Control enter. So, you have this particular address identification ID. Okay. So, yun. Now, next video, we're going to discuss data types and everything, yung mga data. So, everything in the object in the Python, no? Everything in the Python is an object. Okay, so we're going to discuss that in the next video.